Hey there, it's your band as a business, and in this video I want to show you how you can have your gigs show up in your artist profile on Spotify. So I'm logged into artists.spotify.com, but obviously you see this in when you are in the Spotify app as well. You'll see some gigs on listed on the profile. Now, if you go over here on the left, you see concerts, and there's one gig listed there. Now, where does this come from? Well, it's pulled from a website called SongKick. So I'm just gonna go to SongKick. So what you need to do is you need to log in or create a account on tourbox.songkick.com, and you can upload an image and put some information about yourself. But anyway, the point is to then add an event. So when you add an event like that, you can choose concert or festival. You can say who the headliner is. You can look up other bands. So let's say the Killers are going to support me. I can add those. Who else? Bruce Springsteen. Okay, so hopefully some of the bands that are appearing at your gig have a SongKick account, and if not, you should tell them to. Okay, maybe who else is supporting me? I don't know. I don't even know who these people are. It's just an example. Then you put in the date, so like that. What time the door is open. The venue, O2 Academy. Maybe not. Okay, name of the tour, the best gig ever, additional details. And here's an important feature. You can announce the gig immediately, or you can schedule it. So what I like to do is I like to schedule announcements for gigs so that it's kind of staggered. So once one gig has been done, the next one is announced. Even though I know all the gigs that are coming up, I don't want them, if they're all in the same city, then I don't want to announce them all at the same time, because then people might think, oh, I won't bother going to this gig because there's another one coming up in a few weeks. Obviously, I think if you have gigs going around in different towns, then it's useful to announce them all at the same time. Anyway, then you save it, and what will happen is that if you have linked your Spotify account with your SongKick account, then it will automatically be pulled through. So how you do that is click on Partner Network here, and then go to Spotify, and it gives you details about how to link the two. What I did actually is when I created my SongKick account, I actually logged in through my Spotify account. I found that the easiest way to do. But there are other partners, as you can see, Facebook, SoundCloud, Bandcamp, and again, it just shows you how to link the two so that the gig details get pulled through automatically. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll speak to you. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll speak to you guys soon.